All right, so summer is the season for quick bites and easy eats, and nothing says summer like a grilled dog with all the works. Go on off. Yeaah Dawg, Stephen Reed, is here to show us some dogs. No, so.
Yeaah Dawg.
Yeaah Dawg.
Yeaah Dawg.
Come on, welcome.
Respect, man.
Great to meet you. Ulma's youth, don't usually talk to them, but I don't know.
Ulma's deal. It's all right, I know you want to judge this.
How long you started this?
This is going on for about a year and a half now. So from October 2017 was the official launch date, first event that we ever done.
So you're what, just a lover of hot dog and you just decided to start the business?
I love our entrepreneurship, and my partner looking for a new idea. And we said, why not try food? Jamaicans love food. So we said, all right, we'll go out, but we wanted something different. We can't just come with fried chicken and rice, not the same thing, but we wanted something different for the market. And we said we wanted street food. That's the idea we went. So we said, let's try hot dogs.
All right. You brought 3 different ones here now. So what? This is what? Beef, pork, chicken, what you do, or all of them?
We offer all meat, so we have chicken, pork, and beef, and we have a vegan option coming very soon.
Yeah.
So we wanted to cater for everybody.
Right. So you don't have a restaurant, you have 2 carts?
No, as I said, street food. So we start with 1 cart, then we acquired another one.
Yeah.
But persons can't find us at a physical location, even though persons have been asking. But we mostly do events. So we do events, and we go on and we do catering jobs for companies. So that's what we normally, that's our primary target.
Okay, so you're not on the street, you don't park up nowhere that I can just walk up and
No, but recently now we started a lunch delivery, because the demand was so high that persons wanted access to product. So we said, why not? Let's try lunch delivery Wednesdays and Fridays, so persons can actually get a hot dog today.
Yeah.
So we started this week.
Your toppings look a little different than the normal hot dog. That's true?
Yes, it is.
Start with this one over here, and this looks like almost like pineapple.
That's correct. This is pineapple inferno. So this is diced pineapples in a ginger sauce. All right, so this one's a little bite to it.
So you put this together yourself, right?
Yes, you mean the topping itself?
Yeah,
so it's a collaborative strategy with our consumers. The thing about Yeaah Dawg is that persons can design the brand with us. So we go out for feedback with like what type of Jamaican toppings we want us to do. I'll put it in the market, do the taste testing, and will come out. So this is also in collaboration with, as I said, our fans.
Yeah. So I figure out the pineapple. I don't figure out this one. Hold on, no? I can't see what that is. This one kind of straightforward. But what this one is?
This is Irie Vibes. That's a Jamaican salsa.
Yeah. So tell me the different ingredients in it.
So this is scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
You have green pepper, tomato, parsley, red onions, and we have apple in it.
Yeah, I see the apple. So wait, if it's so hot, how much pepper you put in? So?
No, man, you're not that quite hot, you know.
Yeah.
There's a little blend everything.
So I figured out that one. This one wasn't that difficult, but this one now have me. Don't tell me what it is yet.
All right, go on.
If I smell it, I can tell?
Yeah, man. Yeah, judge, man, so I know you get it.
Also?
Yeah, I get it. Wait, what you smell it?
I don't know.
It's a Jamaican favorite. It's a favorite fruit of Jamaica.
So it smells like a little plantain in it.
Ah, plant in paradise.
Well, you know, say me I greatest man in the world. No, I am so perfect, you know, this thing has scared me sometimes, Sheffield. Sheffield, I try to bust my bubble, say me didn't know it long time. No, I didn't. Plantain and what else in it?
So it's plantain mixed with mango chutney.
Mango. You know, I feel it's the mango I did smell.
Yeah, man, that gives it the sweetness.
Yeah,
and I know the crowd favorite.
I smelled something that I didn't know, but I wasn't too certain. This get kind of confused, but it looks interesting though.
Yeah, man, as I said, everything here is interesting, but this is definitely the crowd favorite.
Yeah.
And as I say, we infuse in Jamaican toppings. As you know, Americans, they put everything on their hot dog.
How much you sell them for?
All right, so right now we primarily between 400 and 500 for the dogs individually. Yeah. But if persons access combos range from 550 to 1100. That
combo mean
hot dog, side order, and soup.
Okay.
That's in lunch delivery.
And what could come with as a side order?
Well, the kind of wedges, you can get grilled corn or you can get coleslaw.
Okay.
And then soup can range from pepper pot to chicken to seafood soup.
How much lead up time you need for delivery? If lunch is say 1 o'clock, what time have to call you?
We cut off calls 11 o'clock, so we take calls from 8 to 11.
Okay.
Wednesdays and Friday mornings.
And it's just around the corporate area you deliver?
Well, that's free. Corporate area is free, and then we have out of town is a delivery charge.
So you go...
Yeah, man, no, I don't mean like St. Mary, no. You know, to call like dog.
So we call your mommy and say we want a one hot dog.
But if you call, we can go to the event. We can. That's the we can arrange that. We can go on that. So that's not fine. So we can go there.
And so, what is really just even one single hot dog you deliver?
No, not quite. I mean, if a call will come, my person tell us a number. But you mean like in the town?
Yeah. Suppose I was want a hot dog for lunch. I'm here at TVJ and I said,
yeah, man, you get the one hot dog with a combo.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So it's one hot dog and you deliver it.
You can arrange it. That's the thing about Yeaah Dawg, you know. It's all about you guys, you know. Make everything happen.
How much for the delivery?
Right here today?
Yeah. No, I mean, how much you normally charge for delivery?
Oh, 300.
So 500 plus the 300 deliver.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere I live, suppose I live right next door where you have to.
No, my next door free then.
Oh.
It depends on where you are, we get the delivery charge.
It's fantastic. Yep, you cook them this morning here?
Here
no, them they cook.
Yeah, man, them they cook, man.
So we can buy them for the
yeah, man, no problem, man.
So how much is $1,500 list?
No, man, them are 500.
They no 1,500, don't share them.
Well, I think me like each one you have a combo. Yeah, man, 1,500, man.
For everything, right?
We get charges discount.
How much does the charge?
Talk off here, I don't want people know everybody start talking.
Everybody that call and say, I'm going to charge you, I want a discount. So I buy the chair them.
Ah, much respect.
I don't know. You sell the plate them too?
No.
That's fine. No. All right, so you're on Instagram, man.
Yeah, man, Yeaah Dawg.
Why are you crying? I know me do this to
man.
people.
Just happy, man. The brand is just taking off. I'm just passionate about it.
We do it to people all the while. Them just see me and them start, man. Good to meet you.
Thanks very much, man.
And good luck, my brethren. Really good luck with it. It's a great idea.
Yeah, man, definitely. I mean, persons have been, ever since we launched Persons Tech Tweets, so persons definitely are interested, and that's why we want to keep it.
You are going to find a little corner and sit down, or you nobody with that?
Eventually, that is the aim, because we're just watching how we're scaling the right way. You know, small business, you don't want to...
So how many trucks you would want for it to be worth?
You know, the long-term plan is that we want to have a franchise and persons can acquire the carts and leave it by itself to run.
All right. Respect me, Richard.
All right, much respect.
Well, I don't want to think I joke now, making up me or buy the you have change? Well, I don't ramp with me, no, I give my money and they say, have your change. Send my money to
no change, but...
All right, so we just have a workout with street. Yeah, we don't give Sheffield money. He's the co-owner of Yeaah Dawg, Stephen Reed.
We have the name though, Yeaah Dawg!
I feel me is part-time. Let's all come.